I've always believed the farmers are stewards of the land.
Farmers have always been focused on continuous improvement and being sustainable.
Farmers have the tools to protect soil, improve water quality, capture carbon, and keep their farms profitable. In the Midwest, efforts in conservation and sustainability are getting a sharper focus with leadership from a group known as Farmers for Sustainable Food.
Farmers for Sustainable Food is a collaborative effort to promote and support farmer-led solutions to today's environmental challenges. So my effort really revolves around helping us develop and manage sustainability projects, but also supporting farmer-led conservation initiatives in the Midwest.
Farmers for Sustainable Food works to support farmer-led groups such as LASA, the Lafayette Ag Stewardship Alliance. LASA brings farmers in Lafayette County together to help them move forward in adopting proven and effective sustainability practices.
We've really seen that farmer-to-farmer interaction is one of the best ways for all of us to learn from one another in the agriculture community.
Farmers for Sustainable Food it's a collaborative group. They're the ones that help us coordinate everything as far as the group goes.
FSF is an organization that helps us get access to some things that we're not really aware of, as farmers. As a group, you can find these things, but as an individual farmer, you're never going to see this stuff out there. FSS also helps us with grant funding and getting money so we can try different initiatives.
The best thing about LASA for us as a family and that is it's showed us things and it's got us introduced to field days and different practices, and it's really helped us to learn from other people.
Farmers involved in LASA have used their shared knowledge as well as grant funding to help implement sustainability practices such as cover crops, planting green, using strip tillage, and improving nutrient management. Data collection is a key part of the effort. With support from FSF and other partners, the farmers are able to track each practice they implement and estimate the impact the practices have on their environmental and financial sustainability.
We need proof to understand the impact practices we're implementing are having on the environment, on our financials on the farm, on a whole host of different metrics. So by having that data and then putting it through tools to model what that means, we can then put that into terms to help us better manage farms and also share that story broadly.
Grande was really looking for an approach that was not necessarily top-down, processor to producer, but more of an approach that was collaborative through the supply chain in which producers could lead. And that drove Grande to this relationship with FSF, Farmers for Sustainable Food. It was largely producer-led, which excited us. They provided us an opportunity to partner and really validate some of the science and environmental impacts they were making on their farms, respectively.
Making progress alone is a challenge. That's why Farmers for Sustainable Food has worked to bring a variety of partners and funding together in the effort to grow farm-level sustainability.
I'm very proud to work with FSF, Farmers for Sustainable Food, and LASA, and it's amazing because they are helping TNC, the Nature Conservancy, to do more, to get to a place where we alone would not be able to go.
I can't thank these people enough. We would definitely not be where we're at without the help of FSF, Nature Conservancy, Houston Engineering, Southwest Tech. They're the ones that's made this all possible, and we can't thank them enough.
One of the most valuable outcomes is a framework for farm-level sustainability projects, developed by FSF as a how-to guide for farmers everywhere to consider ideas and practices that might work on their farm.
Well, I believe in the framework for Farmers for Sustainable Food because it gives me an opportunity to go look at practices that are being done, not just with my group, but other parts of the state, and it's something I might not have heard of.
When a dairy farmer is really trying to improve the practices on his farm, he wants to know what a certain action has generated in terms of result. This framework delivers that.
It's easy for other farms to get involved and use the framework for what we've done here. We're glad to help anybody that's interested in the project see what we've done. We've built it around so it's easily enabled other dairy farms, crop farms, hog farms, whatever it may be, to duplicate what we've been doing here.
Farmers for Sustainable Food developed this framework for farm-level sustainability projects as part of this project, and that framework has been really valuable because it's flexible. And it's really a how-to guide of things to think about if you want to have a successful sustainability project. It doesn't prescribe practices or tools, but rather things to think about to make something successful happen.
The framework for farm-level sustainability projects is available at no cost. To download your copy, go to the website farmersforsustainablefood.com. And to learn more about the farmer-led group LASA, go to LafayetteAgStewardship.org.